Hello, are you thinking about joining Global Domains International and you're probably looking to see who has the best system, who has the capture pages, who can help me grow my GDI team so that I can be successful and everybody with me can be successful. Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. We're going to get into that today. What is the one major struggle that people have with earning money online, specifically with, well, not just with Global Domains International, but business where you need to recruit or where you need to sell? It is just that. It is building a team, building a sales team, and being able to recruit and then being able to duplicate yourself. Where do I advertise? How much do I advertise? Do I have the time to advertise? I don't have a big budget, Carol. Can I still do this? Yes. Yes. And where to advertise? We show you that too. Okay. And we also set you up in a team of 5 people. So you're working together in a team of 5. You all join together in a straight line because we're going to send out the link to you like that. As soon as you're ready to join, we send you the link, and then when another person's ready to sign up, we send them your link. And then when another person's, then we send that person's link. So you have 5 people that are linked together, okay, on this team, and you're part of it, and the 5 of you together are going to grow this team together. Now it's still going to take time, but now you've got a step of success. You also get this capture page system right here, okay, with the email series and with this page that explains how it goes, okay, and I'm also going to be doing interviews with the team. With teams, matter of fact, I'm doing 2 Zooms today on going over it, going over the system because it's the way we're doing it is different, okay? This is very much so a hands-on team build, all right? But that's good because you can do this, okay? Even if you've never had success before or you're brand new to online, we will take you and show you how to do this. We'll help you set your capture page system up and have your email series. You build a list while you're doing this too. Okay, so you're building your list, you're building your GDI downlines. And why is a list important? Because a list is your asset. Email marketing is important. Your list is your asset. The reason why you may have quit and other programs and other things because you were working alone and because you didn't have a system or tools to help you. Okay, we do team Zooms, setting up the teams of 5 so that we can all discuss like where we're going to advertise. How many hits a day should we be sending out? There's so many places to advertise, okay? And this will give you success. All right, so I have set up little teams, and like I said, I got two teams today that I'm doing Zooms with, so that they get to meet each other, they get to talk to each other. All right, and then I have another team that is in like a Facebook group chat where they're chatting and talking to each other. Okay, and yes, there's going to be some people that are going to drop out and not, after they get going, they're not going to want to do it because maybe they've been in it a month and they still don't have their 5. This isn't one person. This is 5 people that are coming in that are going below that person. Okay, so if you haven't had success before with GDI, if you're looking for a team build that will help you, this is going to give you endless GDI referrals. Okay, when the fifth person comes in, all 5 advertise for that fifth person because that person doesn't have any downline. And then after they get their 5, then you go to the fourth person, then the third person, then the second. Instead of starting at the top and going down and taking a year to get to the person that's at 5, we're starting from the bottom and working up. And like I said, everybody's linked. Everyone's in their downline. So as you're working up, the person that's up here waiting is still getting their team built as we're advertising. Okay? So this is a team built meant for people to succeed. Okay? Meant for people to succeed by working together in teams of 5. The requirement is send 200 hits a day. You can get them through SafeList, you can get them through traffic exchanges, you can use social media. Okay? There's so many different places. Free classified ads you can post in. So many places, okay? If you're doing, well, I'm not going to get into that right now. That's for a different training. But anyways, if you're looking to get into GDI and you're looking to see which is the best and which is going to give you the most success and help you the most, come along in here, okay? Like I said, you're working in a team of 5. You're not alone. You're working together and you're linked together. Alrighty? So you can click the link below this video, opt in, and then when you tell me that you're ready to join, I will send you the link, and then when the next person comes in, I will send them your link, and it'll go down like that until you have 5 together. Okay, now this may take time, but think about how long it takes you to get 4 people on your team, to have yourself a total of 5 people. Okay, and you may not have all the 4 down below you. You may have 2 or 1, but you're starting out that way. Okay. So again, there's no guarantee as to how long it's going to take to get the 5, but this has been doing really well. Like I'm saying, I'm doing Zooms for teams of 5 here. So if you want to join a team build that helps and not be alone, build your list, build your income, and be able to send your list other things that you're doing, other traffic resources that you're doing, this is the team build for you. Okay? God bless and take care.